pa daw sila.
Bye! Bye!
Daddy! Bye!
So, I'm currently here at Naiya Terminal 2. Just waiting for my friends to arrive. Gonna go to Ho Chi Minh. So, yeah. Wherever you are, guys, text nyo na ako, please. Wala akong pasara. I look like I'm a loser here. Yes.
2 hours later.
Ayan na sila, mga late.
Pumila ka na.
Ano na? Akala ko 4. Oh. Ay, it's Justin Bieber, oh. Uy! Finally, late na naman kayo.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titindig.
Oh, by the way, this is my best friend, Janica. She's my best friend for like since college. So, I'll do the talking later. You know what, guys? This is our official first trip together. Na hindi for school or not for anything na mandatory, you know, like, but this is really spontaneous trip. Like, we haven't booked anything yet, so we're clueless about what's gonna happen in Vietnam. Pero
Sira, nakabook na tayo. Sa Klook nga, diba?
This is not a sponsored video, okay? So for my 12 subscribers, guys, this is not a sponsored video.
Book na kayo kay Klook.
Ha?
Book na kayo.
Oo nga, support daw sa Klook.
Sa amin yung Klook eh.
You answer the question. Wait lang, dito tayo sa lighting para ikaw lang maputi.
Ang Klook ni cancel sa...
No, sa camera! Sobrang...
Yung mata.
Paano ba, Janica, yung normal na vlogging, ano natin?
Wala.
Vlogging face?
Just me yourself.
Oh! Excited?
Hindi, antok pa.
Antok pa. Are you excited? By the way, guys, this is Ken Toy. He owns the biggest travel. He's the biggest travel operator in Coron. So if you guys want to book a tour in Coron, hit me up. I'm gonna give you discounts through this guy. Use my promo code, guys, in Klook. It's RAP and then 20 off. Yeah, that's my code. We just arrived here. Ano bang pangalan ng airport nila? We just arrived at
Tama yung pag-pronounce.
Vietnam International Airport. Char. Huwag hindi mo alam, ganun na lang. So guys, we're currently stuck here because we booked our airport pickup going to hotel via Klook, and then I think there's like a really misunderstanding that's going on. So we don't know if who's gonna pick us up. What do you want? But we're looking for some, I don't know. Anyway, we just arrived at the hotel. Mixer. Napanood niyo yung ano?
Ano, fresh watermelon.
Very fresh yung mga... Hi!
Welcome to my crib.
So this is our room. What's the name of the hotel again? This is Hotel Nico in Saigon. Char!
Ano ba ba? Ano to? Shangri-La Char.
Shit, ang tigas ng bed.
Matigas?
Matigas.
Ay, oo nga. Grabe. Akala ko walang book.
Pineke tayo, guys.
Pero in fact, hindi lang sa tela yung kumot. Dito mo yung ano, yung bathroom.
Yung bathroom.
Sobrang yung bathroom.
Kakatamad na eh.
Tatanungin mo lang yung
This is our bathroom. Guys. It's really nice. It's clean. It's pretty.
tigas lang yung bed.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Day 1, guys. We're heading out. We're gonna go to the 4-piece pizza, which is really popular here. Like a lot of food bloggers are featuring those chena. So yeah. Wait lang. You make ano dyan? You make kwento. Uy, sigurado kayo dito yung daan?
Hindi. Akala namin ginugal mo kanina.
Okay, guys. So, you get ready because we're gonna spend millions today.
30 million.
13 million.
13
We're gonna
ba?
be ballin'. Oh my God! Charot. Oh, ay, wala naman. Wala naman yung mga motor-motor pa. Ano
Yun,
na?
natalsikan ako ng basura.
Ay,
Oh my God.
Iyak. Bakit mas kinukuha nila yung... So guys, Vietnamese cuisine, charot, cuisine talaga. They're really fond of vegetables.
Healthy food.
Mayroon gusto yung mga healthy food.
What's this? Chili oil.
Kaya, magiging healthy lang yung dish namin.
Mawawala ng diabetes. Sarap ng sangria nila.
Mahap po.
Hindi maano.
Ang daming halaman.
Wow. Ito sa hotel natin.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Po. Akala ko sabi, thank you. Next. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain. And we're heading back to the hotel. Mag-wait kami because they're gonna pick us up sa
Saigon Motorbike Tour.
Oh, yeah. Street food tour. We're gonna ride a motorcycle. So, medyo alanganin ang buhay natin dito. But thanks to Pal, kasi meron kami travel insurance.
Yes.
So, Mom, if you're watching, pag may nangyari sa akin, may makukuha kayo. Ano na kuya? Overtake tayo. tayo sa sidewalk. So, we just got back at our hotel. Ka-cancel na namin yung trip namin mamaya kasi tutulog na kami guys. Sug na kami. Ano na? Ano nang gagawin na? So, saan tayo pupunta today, Kim? Where are we heading next? Anyway, I think guys, we're going on a trip and a Janica Reyes.
Alright, so you booked the food tour.
Yeah.
You ready to get going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's first give us 5 minutes.
Yes. We're just gonna.
No, it's not our first.
Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go to the local restaurant. We're gonna have the beef noodle soup. Are you guys okay with the beef?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just ate like a lot.
Yes, because this is a food tour, so we're gonna have like 4 or 5 food to go. YouTuber or something? Is that YouTuber?
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Are you guys? No, dapat iniikot ko yung legs.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Ayan na. We're going on a motorcycle trip, guys. So, this is a must try here in Vietnam, they say. Mukha akong million. Sobrang bilang. Akala ko walang nag-helmet dito kanina, pero it's compulsory to wear your helmet. So,
Lemonton, Main Street.
ano yan? Weird. Sobrang weird. To hold a camera while making angkas. Like, this is my first time to ride a motorcycle. I'm not the one who's driving, so... This is so crazy, guys. Like, the experience. First time ko sumakay ng motor na outside the Philippines because usually I can drive motorcycle sa Philippines pero hindi ako umaangkas. And here in Vietnam, like, it's really normal for them to have like motorcycle. Instead of cars, they prefer motorcycle. I don't know why, but hindi ko rin alam if naririnig nyo ba ako. Ba't ka naka-shades?
Baka makilala nila ako dito. Alam mo naman, dudumugin ka dito.
Di ba mo konti?
Mga fans. Ganyan lang, mga pasaya lang.
Shot mo yan. Kamusta?
Ang inabe, nagsasalubungan. Kamusta?
How was the experience?
Ang inabe, akala ko makakatama na kami.
Like, guys, parang normal lang ata yung yung makapatay dito ng mga nagmomotor. Since marami naman, so maraming undocumented na naman.
So, where is the city in the center of Vietnam?
Where?
Where this come from?
So we are off to another destination, guys. We're gonna go to the old apartment wherein they say like you can see on how the locals live every day. So
These apartments were built in the Vietnam War around like 1968 because at the time Vietnam was divided into two regions, the South and the North.
Yeah.
But the people in the south, the south government, they have built these apartments to accommodate the North people.
The what people?
The North,
Enough.
the Northern people. So
Let's go. We're off to another destination, guys. Flower market. Saan ba yun?
So you cross the road.
Oh my God. Is it normal?
Very normal.
Asa na tayo dyan?
Sa Dangwa.
Ito na, dinala kami kanina sa Espanya.
Ngayon sa Dangwa.
Sa Dangwa na. Ano kayang gagawin natin dito sa flower? Anong gagawin natin sa flower market?
Kakain ng flower.
So, ayun na nga, guys. Like, I think this is really a good... Tangina, bakit pa nagpipis doon?
Fun naman, no? Kasi ano
like
sila
your ibang ano, parang iba siyang... How do you say this? Iba siyang experience when you come na...
ano sila, interactive yung mga
Oo nga.
guys.
So, wala akong machika, guys. Hindi ko sila maintindihan. No.
Come on.
Come on. Sincha. Chintao. Tay! Uy, yung kapatid mo.
Daddy yung panabo.
So, we are here at the pancake something. Like local pancake daw.
Yung sa walking street.
What's the walking street?
Yung maraming...
Shit, sobrang sikip dito, guys. Pero sabi nila masarap daw. So, we'll give it a try. Thank you. Hello, Zigaregan. Why do you keep on smiling?
I'm not very, good at drawing. It looks kind of terrible. Alright, so, okay. So we're gonna dip the fish sauce, something like this. Yeah. And then you have a bite. Oh, you see it?
So guys, since hindi ako makakain ng vegetables, ito lang kinakain ko. Rice, paper. Kaya pa, pre. Pagod na. So, we're currently eating bani. Ayan guys, ban meal.
Masarap yung food sa mga kanto-kanto dito. Huwag kayo pasosyal.
Oo nga, true. Pero bukas mag-hotel Nico o
Bukas, pasosyal na ka.
Ngayon guys, low-key lang. Kasi syempre, we're trying to live like yung mga local people here. Alam mo naman, we're very cultured, right?
Tinatry namin ma-help yung mga working students.
Ayan, yes. Actually, the one who's driving for us are like working students. So, sideline lang nila to.
Kaya mag-book kayo ng ganito para ma-help nyo din.
Oo, true.
Super fun naman.
True. Different experience.
Pero parang hindi ko na ulit.
Na sasakay tayo ng motor.
Diba? Pero hindi ko na ulitin. Masaya siya pero natatakot ako talaga magsakay sa motor eh.
Bakit? Bakit natakot?
Grabe dito, te.
Ito ka tumingin.
Okay. Saan ba?
Oo.
Grabe. Parang gusto ka na nilang banggain lahat dito.
So, guys, this is the last trip for this tour. No, last stop for our tour. We're going back to the hotel. It's around 10 p.m. Pretty drunk. And yeah. Hawak ka sa matigas.
Ito?
Sa mas matigas.
Wala nang titigas dito.
Bakit? I forgot. Yeah. Yes. So guys, I wasn't able to film nga yung kabalik kami dito sa hotel cause na full na yung memory ko. So, yeah. After the ano yun kinain naman? After kami kumain ng shrimp and the scallops, we went back dito. So, now, oo nga, dapat kasi lalabas pa kami pero parang more than 24 hours na kami gising. Kaya, kailangan na namin magpahinga. Anyway, tomorrow na lang ulit kami mag-vlog. Alright. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night!